In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted timeline on Google Maps. First, let's quickly talk about what your Google Maps timeline is. Timeline is a feature that records places you've visited and routes you've taken, as long as your location history is turned on for your Google account. It can be really helpful for looking back at past trips, confirming where you were on a certain day, or tracking your commute over time. Because of that, accidentally deleting your timeline, or parts of it, can feel like a big problem. Now, it's important to set expectations clearly. In most cases, if location history data has been fully deleted from your Google account, there is no built-in way to fully restore that exact data. Google treats this as a privacy feature. Once location data is erased, it's generally removed from their servers. However, there are still a few things you can check to see whether your timeline is really gone, or if it's just hidden, filtered out, or turned off. Start by opening Google Maps on your phone or computer, and making sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Many people have more than one account, so double-check that you're using the one where your timeline was originally saved. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and then tap Your Timeline. On desktop, click the menu icon and then choose Timeline. If your timeline appears empty, don't panic yet. Next, check your location history settings. In the timeline screen, look for the settings or gear icon. Then find location history. Make sure location history is turned on for your account and for the device you're using. If it was turned off for a while, your older data might still exist, but no new locations would have been recorded during the time it was off. Turn it back on if you want Google Maps to start recording your movements again going forward. Now, look at the date filters. At the top of the timeline screen, you can jump between days, months, and years. Use the arrows or the calendar to move to earlier dates when you know you were using timeline. Sometimes it can look like everything is deleted, when in fact, you're just viewing a date range with no data. If you previously downloaded copies of your Google data using Google Takeout, you may be able to see some of your old location history there, even if it no longer shows in Maps. This won't restore it into the app, but it can at least give you access to the past information. To prevent problems in the future, keep location history turned on if you rely on timeline, review auto-delete settings for your account, and consider periodically exporting your data so you always have a backup outside of Google Maps.